For today's video, we are going to be doing my favorite summer travel essentials from Quince. If you guys have been around on my channel for a while now, you know that I love Quince. I don't think in the last 2 years there's been a vacation that I've been on where I haven't taken a Quince piece with me. So I want to share with you guys my favorites for summer travel. This video is sponsored by Quince. I'll have everything linked down below in the description box if you want to check anything that I talk about out, including my sizes. We're going to go ahead and jump on in. I'm actually zooming you guys in really quick because I want to talk about Quince's jewelry for a second. If you guys did not know, obviously I share a lot of their clothing here on my channel, but I also wanted to share some of their jewelry with you guys. They have tons of lab-grown diamond pieces, solid gold pieces. These earrings I got maybe like a year ago or a little over a year ago, and they have held up so well. These are 14 karat gold, very lightweight. They've got so many different styles. You guys know I wear jewelry all the time. It's like my favorite way to accessorize my outfits, and Quince has some gorgeous pieces. So definitely be sure to check out the Quince site. I actually just got in a brand new lab diamond ring from Quince that I wanted to share with you guys. I've been looking for a ring to fit on my right ring finger, which is kind of a strange size. My right ring finger, I never get rings for because I am between sizes, and Quince actually has a lot of half sizes, but this is a lab diamond half eternity band with 14 karat gold. It is so pretty and sparkly, you guys. My jaw was to the floor when I opened this up because it is just so pretty, and like their clothing, the prices on their jewelry are so good. They're so high quality. The lab diamonds are beautiful. Like I said, I've had these 14 karat gold earrings for a while now, and because they're 14 karat gold, they haven't tarnished at all. They've held up beautifully. And so I want to talk about their jewelry because jewelry to me is an everyday essential, but especially a travel essential because I feel like it's the cherry on top for an outfit. And so whenever I'm putting together outfits, I always think about what jewelry I'm going to be wearing with my pieces, and classic pieces like these earrings or this ring will go with everything and just make every outfit feel a little bit more put together. Let's get into the clothing now. So every summer vacation, obviously you will need a good pair of shorts. I love having a pair of denim shorts, but I find myself wearing more pull-on styles because they're just way more comfortable. And I feel like with being out and about all day, you just want to be comfy. You want something that's lightweight, breezy, really, really easy to just throw on, can be worn casually. For the most part, I find because I'm with my daughter a lot of our vacations have been more on the casual side. And so I have been wearing a lot of pull-on shorts, and I have a couple pairs that I think are so great from Quince. First up are these gauzy shorts from Quince. These are, like I said, a gauzy material. They're very, very lightweight. I have them in navy. They have a drawstring in the front, an adjustable stretchy waist. I think these are such a cute style. They're just very laid back and comfy. They are more of a mid-rise style, but they do still sit on top of the hips, especially with the drawstring too. You can like tighten them and make sure they're really secure. But they're a little bit of a kind of shorter inseam on me being 5'2". I love where these hit on me. These are like the perfect short to throw on in the morning if you're going on a morning walk to get a coffee, throw on a sweater, throw on a cute gray tank with them for the middle of the day with a brown sandal. Like, these are such a versatile pair of shorts that you're gonna be comfortable in all day long, and I feel like are a staple for travel. And then obviously I think you do need some kind of linen short when you travel as well for summer vacation. These are probably my favorites right now, and I have them in 3 different colors and prints. If you don't have a pair of linen shorts, I'd probably just get the classic, I think this is maybe flax, but the classic just like undyed linen. These are the most versatile, but if you want something fun, they also have a gingham print, and I really like having an olive green in my wardrobe as well. Even though it is a color, olive green to me, I kind of count as neutral because it is so versatile. So these are, again, stretchy waist. They have a drawstring in the front. These have a little bit of a shorter inseam, and if you're petite, I think these are really, really flattering on. They have pockets in the front and along the back, and again, these are so cute with a blouse. You could wear them with the tank, you can wear them with a sweater, you could wear them to the pool, to the beach. Really just like a great pair of shorts that are gonna be lightweight. You're not gonna be like really sweaty in them. They're very breezy because they're linen, and they're just a really cute style. On the topic of linen, you guys are gonna think I'm a broken record when it comes to these pants, but I share these all the time because they are the best linen pants from Quince. These are their, I think, the relaxed wide leg. They've got a really thick, stretchy waistband with a drawstring. I love how these fit. I think I have them in like 6 different colors now. They come in a 26, a 28, and a 30-inch inseam. I've found that the 28-inch inseam is perfect on me. I do have, I think, a couple pairs of the 26-inch inseam, which show a little bit of my ankle, which is nice sometimes. But for the most part, if I could only pick one inseam on me, I think I would go with the 28, just because it is a little bit of a longer style, but it's not too long. It doesn't drag on the ground. I can wear it with a flat, a sandal. A linen pant to me is like more of a must-have than a pair of jeans for a trip, especially in the summer, because again, they are super comfy. They're lightweight. They're a light tan. So if you are going somewhere that's like beachy, they just fit the vibe so well. I love this like undyed linen color. I have them in, like I said, a ton of different colors, a ton of different patterns. I find myself wearing these the most, or my olive green ones. I wear those a lot as well. But I just think these are so good for the price. I actually got a pair for Jason as well, and he loves them. So we're like a huge fan of Quince's linen pants, if you could not tell. I tell everybody about them because I think they're so good, and these specifically just fit really nicely. Even though I have a pair of linen pants, I'm not gonna go on any trip, doesn't matter what time of the year, without a pair of jeans as well, because sometimes you just want a good pair of denim that work every time. And these are from Quince. I've been trying to get these for forever. These sell out faster than any jean that I have tried from this brand. They're the barrel style of denim, and now I know why they sell out so quickly, because these fit so well. Like, I wish you guys could just try these on. Like, I wish Quince had stores, because I feel like with denim, you really want to try something on. Of course, they have like their great return policy, but sometimes you're like, does it really fit that well? And I'm here to tell you guys, like, the second I took them out of the package, I could immediately tell they were gonna fit so nicely. So I got them in my normal size. I didn't have to size down or size up. Like, they fit true to size. They have the slightest bit of stretch, so they hug in the waist and the hips a little bit. Even being a barrel style of jean, they're not overwhelming. If you're petite, I feel like sometimes barrel jeans can be so overwhelming and so stiff and structured, where your legs look like they are permanently stuck in like a wide barrel style, whereas these have a little bit of softness to them. So they feel broken in, they feel worn in a really nice way. They come in a short inseam. I freaking love these, you guys. Like, I cannot hype these up enough. They're $50. You're not gonna find a pair of jeans that fit this well for $50, if I'm being honest. Like, you're just not going to. These are just so good. They look so good from the back as well, which is key for a barrel jean. I feel like sometimes barrel jeans are so big and so wide in the hips and the leg that they just kind of like balloon out and you don't look nice from the back. These you guys, I immediately texted Jason a picture of these jeans and was like, I'm shook that these are Quince. Like, these are $50. You've got to be kidding me. Obsessed. I could not recommend these more. I want to get them in basically every single wash. The only wash they had available in my size and in seam length at the time was the light wash, which I think is actually such a good jean for the summer. Like, I would wear this more than the black wash, but I really want to get the black wash for fall and winter. Not gonna speak out fall and winter quite yet, but the light wash is perfect for the summer, and I just am obsessed with these. If they're sold out, if any of these pieces that I'm sharing are sold out, sign up for the wait list, because they will email you as soon as they come back in stock in the size that you're looking for. And so that's what I do for a lot of the pieces that I have my eye on that are sold out. I sign up for the wait list, and then when they get back in stock, I'm ready. But these, you guys, oh, they're so good. They're so good, they're so good, they're so good. Like I said, our vacations these days are fairly casual, just because we're traveling with the toddler, and most times we're going to dinner at like 4:30. We're not like going out on nice dinners typically when we're vacationing, but I do like to have one nice top with me or one nice dress with me when we're traveling. And so I really like this top that I've got on right now. And this is like a nicer top, but could be worn, you know, with a pair of denim shorts and a flat sandal just dressed down. So this is like a really versatile piece. But if you want to have a little like date night or even like girls' night out top, if you're going on a trip with your girlfriends, this one is so pretty to me. I love the lace down the front and along the neck. The puffy sleeve with the lace. Like this is so gorgeous. It's got pleats down the front. I love how this kind of like comes in at the waist as well and in the back. So it just gives you a little bit of shape. It's not super fitted. It has a deeper V, so I actually wear it with just a sticky bra. I feel great in it. It is a lighter material, but because of the pattern and everything, like it's not see-through at all. I think this is such a pretty piece, and like I said, you want to have at least one nice top on you. And then you guys are gonna think I'm crazy, but even when I'm traveling like to the beach or somewhere warm, I still like to have knit pieces, whether that's a knit short sleeve or a knit tank. I find that they just look a little bit nicer than just your ribbed cotton tank. They're just not as casual, and they also hide sweat. So this one I really like because it has a V-neck and the buttons down the front. It's a little bit more polished. It looks really good with denim or with shorts, and it's just super soft. The other one that I really like though is this kind of like oversized t-shirt knit top. It's got this thick crew neck with the ribbing on it. What I love about it though is like the sleeves are exaggerated. It just has like this slouchy oversized fit that just gives it a really casual feel. So it's kind of like the perfect mom top, you know, like those pieces that you see those effortless moms in their cute sneakers and their jeans or their jean shorts, and then they have on like that perfect oversized t-shirt. This is kind of that same vibe, but in a knit style, and it's perfectly cropped, has like a rolled hem along the bottom and the sleeve, so it just feels cool. I don't know, it just feels really unique, and it's like polished because it's a knit. It's a little bit dressier, but it also has that casual feel to it. So I really love this. I think this is a really versatile piece. I love the fit of it. It has like that little bit of a crop. You can tuck it in the front or wear it out, and it's not super long and like too baggy. It's just one of those pieces that I'm like, it just fits well, you know? So I love this. It comes in a bunch of other colors. The gray is really nice. I think it would look so good in cream as well. And again, another piece that will probably surprise you is I always take some kind of crew neck knit with me, specifically if I'm going somewhere hot, 100% cotton, because I get cold everywhere I go. I talk about this all the time, but I genuinely get cold everywhere I go. And so I always have either a button up with me, which is also a great piece to take with you on vacation, or some kind of knit to throw on. And so this one is my favorite sweater from Quince. It is 100% cotton. They have so many good cotton pieces on their site. I just love how thick the neck is on this. It comes in other colors and prints, but I think this is really pretty. It's a great oversized fit. It's the perfect sweater to throw on when you're running in somewhere, whether you're going to the grocery or you're going out at night and it's a little bit chillier. It's just like the perfect oversized sweater. So I really think that this to me is a vacation travel staple. And I do think that every vacation pack should have one dress, and I've shared Quince's dresses so much here on my channel, so I wanted to include a new one. This is a linen like skirt dress, and I have been trying to get my hands on this dress for months. And again, their pieces sell out really quickly, and so every time that I had tried to place my order, this dress has been sold out, but I finally got it, and it was sold out in a couple of the prints that I had my eyes on, but the white I think is just a staple. It's fully lined, it's got built-in shorts, it has pockets, it's a really lightweight billowy linen, so it's perfect for any summer travel. It looks great with a sandal. You could dress it up with a sleek heel. Very versatile, stretchy back, adjustable straps, like really no notes on this dress. It's just comfy, it's cute, it can be worn in a really chic way, and I just love the fact that it's linen. It feels very beachy and airy, and I think it's super cute, especially if you are petite and you're wanting a shorter dress. I love that this has the built-in shorts. And then another travel tip is to take one small bag and one medium to large bag. That can be a clutch or a small crossbody, but having two different size bags, and ideally like a black bag and a brown bag so you're hitting both of your bases. But I love having a small bag like this, whether it's a clutch or a crossbody for dinner or nicer times. Again, traveling with a toddler, I'm not using like a clutch as much, but I do really like having a smaller bag like this that can just be my essentials, like everything that I want on me during the day that is in a smaller bag like this, but then can be easily thrown into a larger bag like this for the actual travel day. So if I'm flying, I have some kind of larger tote on me that I can slip my smaller bag into. This is so nice because if you're out all day, you do have a larger bag on you. So ideally, it's some kind of like big tote like this for the travel day and for days where you're out all day long and you want a lot of stuff on you. And then all of your actual essentials are in this little bag, like your wallet, your keys, your phone. It's kind of like a travel hack because then you are getting both. So that is my last travel vacation essential and tip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'll have everything linked down below. If you want to check out any of the pieces that I talked about, be sure to hit that like button, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite piece was, and don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you back on my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one really, really soon. Bye guys.